couldn't get rid of these gloves. They're just a little too slick. I like the rubber coating for installing this, but this kind of glove didn't come with it, so, and it's really hard to grip these bolts. I certainly want something more gripping. And you want to go ahead and, when you put your chain on here, it's going to have a lot of play in it. So before you tighten these up, you want to go to your adjustment right here, turn it clockwise until it tightens up, but not too tight. You want it to have a little spring in it like that. Go ahead and put our protective sleeve on here. Fits it like a glove. If you want a very economical 20-inch chainsaw like this one, just check out the shopping link for the latest deal.